He kai tahua hau, no moiraki te hapu o Ngāti Hāteatea. So I'm Wendi, my whakapapa is back to Moiraki, and today I'm 64. I suppose first of all I've always been passionate about things kaitahu, and I just want to tautoko our tipuna for having the foresight and preparing for our claim, and without that we wouldn't have been able to get to where we are today, and that's with things like Whai Rawa. So when Whai Rawa was talked about, I thought, oh, this is great, you know, some money for when I retire, you know, which is, my retirement age is a year away now. But I'm mother of 8, I am taua of 17 and taua tuarua of 3. So planning for the future as a young mother was something that I couldn't do. It was living day by day. Education for my children, very strong on education, but couldn't afford to put my kids through university, etc. I just acknowledged my children that supported themselves through university. And I have all of these mokos, these children that have now benefited from our marae, our hapu grants and our ngaitahu grants. So joining up with Whai Rawa is just so important. I think of the whakatauki of ours, e kia ka tiri tiri o te moana. So, you know, reach to the heights of your aspirations. Our whānau, my mokos, can do this now because our people have got Whai Rawa, and I've signed them up. For me, the whole education system to sustain our people and to sustain Papatoa Nuku in the forthcoming years, we wouldn't be able to get there if it's not for Whai Rawa. So I really encourage everyone, you know, you have a child, you have a moko, you're my age, join up.